Give me a
Yeah.
second. So what is the problem statement first of all? Calculate the total monthly expense. Imagine you're tracking your spending for a month. You have a list that shows how much you spent in different categories like rent, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Your goal is to calculate the total expense for the month by adding up all the amounts in the list. Print the total to see how much you have spent overall. So what we have done, we have just got the expenses in the form of a list, and with the help of some function, I'm just getting the sum of all the things which is present in my list.
Yeah, that's right, ma'am. But what I ask you is that, like, how, so any amount we can put, but the total has to be 2,850. That's what my question
No,
is.
that is sample output. That means it is a sample that how it should be.
Oh, that's what I asked, because how we have to put this individual like entity into that one. For example, the rent is 1,200. We don't know
Yes.
the rent, right?
Yes,
How
yes,
we
yes.
put that one? That's what my question.
No, that is just an example. That like this, your output should come.
Okay, okay.
That is just an
means
example.
anything we can put, but the total
Yes,
has to
yes.
be 2,850. That's it.
No. Total is not is going to be 2,850. That is just an example. Total can be anything. It depends
Oh,
upon that, now whatever you are putting over here.
okay, okay. It's just an example. That's okay. Fine.
Yes,
Okay, okay.
yes. Sort. Yes, by default, sorting can be used only for ascending. If you want to do descending, you have to reverse that string. You have to reverse that list. And I have already taught you guys in the class how to reverse it. Right, Soumya? Right, Soumya?
Ma'am, for descending, what we have to do, ma'am?
Slicing -1. Ratio
slicing.
-1.
Okay. Slicing
Got
minus.
it? Yes.
Yeah.
Slicing in list, ratio -1. Remember last week we did that, Soumya? Yes, ratio minus. Sudha has answered. Ratio -1.
Yes. Got it.
Yes, sorting by default ascending will happen. If you want to do descending, just put ratio -1. I will send Subhriti. First, let me just take the queries, okay?
That means we are not supposed to put the sort and put that, or we have to put sort inside the bracket. We have to put this.
No.
Code.
First do sort. Sorting will happen. You will get ascending. That will be a new list. On that new list, apply that.
Okay, fine. So that means first ascending will come and then put the slash minus. It will be descent.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Ninth question. There was a problem, na? Yes, Saraswati, you are correct. Yes, Rishu, you are correct. Ninth question. Yeah. Imagine you have a list of items typically found in an office, stored as a tuple and unchangeable list. You want to check if a specific item like a laptop is included in a list. This is useful when you want to confirm if an item is a part of the group. In this problem, you need to start with creating a tuple containing office items. These use the keyword to check if laptop is present in the tuple or not. Print the result of this check. So first of all, create a tuple of the office items. Then I have told you guys now how to do it. If you guys remember the out of stock question from the last week, out of stock question, laptop in office item. It is going to check if it is in office item or not. In is an operator. In is a keyword and it is also an operator which is going to tell me if this laptop is present inside my tuple or not. If it is present, then answer will be true. If it is not present, the answer will be false. That is why my answer is coming in Boolean. Okay, Sudha?
Okay, ma'am. So that means it has to be come only in a Boolean. If it is there or not, then it will come in Boolean.
Yes, because I am checking now if it is present or not. So that will be true or false only as answer.
Okay, fine.
Yes. Clear, Navya? Any other doubts from this notebook?
In the problem number 10, we are preparing in a tuple, right? Tuples.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
fruits
Here it
equal to
is.
in a tuples. But the
Yes.
next one, what we are writing, that is fruit in brackets 1. That means we
That
can
is
change it, right?
no, no. That is not changing. That is just accessing, indexing.
Oh,
Indexing to is same
indexing.
in
Oh,
tuple and list both. It is same, na?
okay, okay. Fine, fine, fine,
Yes,
fine.
yes.
Mhm. So that means, see, for example, if for example, I am putting this
Mm-hmm.
in a tuple and that I
Hmm.
want to change this into the text list.
Mm-hmm.
So what I have to do, that is fruit equal to so and so, and then fruit equal to list of bracket in tuple. Then it
Yes,
will convert into
yes,
like, yeah.
yes. You're correct.
Okay, okay, fine, 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 fine.
Yes. Guys, please let me know right now if there is any other question, if there is any other doubt. Otherwise, I will start with the part number 4.
Ma'am,
Everyone is clear? Yes, yes, tell me.
here we are getting in a 12th, like lot of the things is new, ma'am. Len, and then some of the things
Len, we
is
have
very
done
new
in the
for us.
sessions. Len,
We
we
did
have
it?
done in the session. Yes, we
Oh,
did it.
oh, I missed it.
No, there are a little things in the session which we have done. You guys have to see the recordings.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, we'll check, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Extend function that we did yesterday only, na Soumya? I'm explaining. Give me a second. First of all, Arpan, what is happening? We are just accessing. We are just indexing. We are just indexing. That is a very simple function, Rishu. With the help of marks, you are just going to get the maximum number out from your list. Okay? And now, Soumya, your doubt, extend function. So, do you remember append function, Soumya? Do you remember append function, Soumya? So with append function, what is happening? We can just append one thing at the end. But with extend function, we can extend it to multiple items at the end. Okay? Is it clear, Soumya? Is it clear, Soumya? Yes. In the end only, append and extend are for end. If you want to insert in the middle, for that there is insert function. I told you guys that also yesterday. Okay? Any other doubts? 15th. Okay, give me a sec, huh?
Ma'am, in the 15, if you are having
Mm-hmm.
a same name in the list, what will happen, ma'am? For example,
Tom,
first
Jerry,
thing is,
Mickey, Minnie. Are you
in that
saying they
one,
will?
for example, Tom,
Mm-hmm.
Jerry, Jerry, Mini. So what will happen?
Nothing will happen.
So it will
Nothing
come
will
as
happen.
Tom, Jerry, Jerry, Mini. So that
Yeah,
means Jerry will be printed
because
twice, right?
variables are different now. So these are different
Oh,
lists
variables are
only.
different.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. So it will not merge.
yeah, they will not merge
Okay, ma'am.
unless until you are merging them.
No, we don't know. Like how we have to merge that?
Here we are merging only. Na concatenation is merging
Oh,
only.
plus, plus, plus.
Yes,
Okay, okay,
yes.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then how can we get second largest number in a list? For that, you guys can do a loop. For that, you guys can use a if statement, loop, whatever you guys want to do. You have to just build a logic for that. Okay, Rishu? And that's a very good question. I would like to ask that to our perplexity at the end of the week. Okay? For that, you have to apply a logic. Okay, let's note this question down. Rishu, note this question down. We will ask that to our perplexity at the end of the week on Wednesday. Okay? Yes. So, guys, everyone done with the homework questions? So, should I start with part number 4? Can I get a quick yes? Can I get a quick yes from everyone out there? Great, guys. Let me just close this notebook. Give me a moment. Yes. And now we will start with our part number 4. So everyone is clear with list and tuples now? Everyone is clear with just give me a second, guys. I'm getting. Yes, Subhadev, just give me a second. I'm sending the code link again first. Until then, you guys answer me. Everyone is clear with lists and tuples now? Everyone is clear with lists and tuples now? Tell me, everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So everyone is clear. Very good. So now today now we are going to start a very interesting thing, which is a little different from them, but still the part of that particular thing only, but a little different. And that thing is known as set, another data type of Python collections. In this part, we are going to learn about introduction to sets, and we are going to create the sets, accessing elements in the sets, adding and removing elements in sets, and we are going to learn about the set operations, union, intersection, and difference. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, introduction to sets and creating the sets. So, I am going to ask you guys one question. Just answer me in yes or no. Lists and tuples are ordered. Yes or no? Lists and tuples are ordered. Yes or no?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. It is ordered.
Okay. I want everyone's opinion. Yes or no? Sudha is saying
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Jaideep is saying no. Okay. Satwar is saying not necessarily. Vishu is saying yes. Arpan, your answer is yes. Okay. What about others? Tell me, guys. What about others? Yes or no? Don't be shy. Just answer me. Forget it. Can we do indexing on list and tuples? Can we do indexing on list and tuples?
Yes. 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 We can do.
If I can do indexing on list and tuples, that means they are in the order only, na? They are having their index order and tuples are ordered. Clear with this part now? Give me a second. Breaking? Give me a second. Give me a second. Is my voice clear now? Is my voice clear now, guys? Guys? Still breaking?
Yes, ma'am. Still breaking, ma'am.
Give me a second. I'm trying to connect to my phone. Yeah, 5G network is connected.
When you're telling this is very good. When you're taking the class, it is breaking.
Papa. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Clear now? Great.
Yes.
Great. Okay, guys. So everyone have got the answer now. Everyone have got the answer that the list and tuples are ordered. Now we are going to do the exact opposite of them. We are going to learn about sets which are unordered. which means set is a collection of unique elements in Python, meaning it cannot contain duplicates. It cannot contain duplicates. But in list and tuples, I can provide duplicate values as well, and there will be no issues. But in sets, I cannot put duplicate values because it is a collection of only the unique elements. And sets are unordered. Unordered means you cannot perform indexing on sets. You cannot perform indexing on sets. So the items do not have defined order and cannot be accessed by an index like in lists or tuples. Sets are created using the curly braces. That you guys have to remember. For list, we use square brackets. For tuples, we use parentheses. For sets, we use curly braces. Brackets, you guys have to remember. If you guys will mess up in brackets, your whole collection will get changed. Okay? Now, why use sets? Sets are useful when you need to store the unique items and want to avoid the duplicates, such as unique user IDs, tags, or types of items in a list. Types of items in a list. Is everyone clear with the definition of sets? Is everyone clear with the definition of sets? Great. So let's clear this out with the help of an example now. Now I'm having an example. Imagine you run an online store and want to keep track of unique category customers are interested in. Each time a customer browses a category, you add it to a set. This way, even if they browse the same category multiple times, it will appear once in the set. So let's create the categories. So it is a set, so curly braces. Let's take electronics, beauty, furniture, and one thing I'm going to repeat. Let's say electronics, I'm going to repeat. Now, if you guys will see, electronics is coming 2 times inside my set. If I will just print it, if I will just print this set, just see the answer. Furniture, beauty, electronics. Electronics, originally I put it 2 times, but in my answer it is coming only 1 time. And if you guys will see, my order was this. In this order I am writing. So what this thing is proving, that sets are unordered. They can come in output in any order which you can't even expect. Yes, and it is not going to print duplicate because it is just going to have the unique values inside it. Is this thing clear, everyone? Is this thing clear, everyone? Yes, Soumya, like randomly you can say. Great. Now, how to access elements in the set? Now, what does accessing mean? Everyone knows now what does accessing means. Now, since sets are unordered, into list and tuples, we were accessing the items with the help of indexing. But here in sets, so we do not have any kind of index. So how we will do that now? That is the question. You cannot access the elements by an index. Instead, you can loop through the elements or check for the presence of an item using the in keyword. Why use this? Because this is helpful when you don't need the order of elements but want to quickly check if an item exists. So let's understand this with the help of an example. So I'm having, suppose you want to check if a customer viewed a specific product category in the online store. So I already have this category set. I'm just going to take this print it over here. Now, if let's say category name, I'm going to put any name, let's say books. I want to check if it is inside my category or not. In category. Now, I know that books is not inside my category, right? So what I'm going to do, if it is inside this, then print yes. Else, what it should print? No. Now, if I will print it, my answer will be no, because books is not the part of this set. Like this, you guys can check if something is part of my set or not, because you cannot access it, because indexing is not provided in your set. So you have to loop over. You guys can use the if and else statements. Is it clear, everyone? Is it
Yes,
clear,
ma'am. Yes.
everyone? Should I move forward?
Here we are not supposed to use the while loop, right? Because he had to use the if loop.
No, I'm not using loop. I have told you guys, either you guys can use loop or either conditional statement. I didn't
Okay.
I didn't just say that only loop. I said
Okay.
either loop or either conditional. Okay?
But that right now we use the condition.
Yes. Right now I use conditional statement because my example was saying that I just have to check if this is present or not. I can loop also.
Fine, ma'am.
I can loop also if I want to print each item. Just for I in category, print I. For I in category, print I. Okay, internet connection. See?
Ma'am, that means every category is
Yeah,
showing.
I got. Yes. Is my voice clear now, guys? Is my voice clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Clear now? Soumya, Subhradeep? Soumya, Subhradeep, clear?
And suppose if I want the answer in Boolean, how we will code?
How we will code? Just print
And then
true.
we have to put that as
Don't put
print true, print false.
Yes. Yes, here it is now. I have done that with the help of loop issue. This thing you guys can do only with conditional. If you want to loop over, then you guys can just do that. Yes, so Pradeep, you are correct. Return true, return false. That we can do. Is it clear now, everyone? Is it clear now, everyone? Great. So now, guys, let's start with another topic. Adding and removing the elements in the set. Now, how I can add or remove anything from here? If I want to add, I can just use the add method, add function, and add any duplicate. If I am adding any kind of duplicate now, okay, I am going to be slow. I'm going to be slow. So, guys, if I want to add anything inside my set, so I can use add function. But if I'm adding a duplicate, like my list, my set is apple, banana, and milk. If I'm adding milk again, then it will get ignored. Then it will get ignored because sets can have only unique elements, no duplicates allowed. Similarly, if I want to remove the items, I can use remove function or discard function. If the element does not exist, remove function is going to raise an error, while discard will not. Now, why use this? Because this is useful when you want to dynamically keep track of a set of unique items and need to update the collection as elements are added or removed. So let's do an example to figure this out now. Imagine you're keeping a track of products currently in the customer's shopping cart. You add or remove items as they add or delete the products. So I'm going to show you guys multiple examples for this point now. Let's create a cart. I told you guys apple, banana and milk. Na? Let's put that only. So this is my set. Now, first of all, adding on new product. So that is going to be cart. Name of my set dot add function parenthesis. Function to parenthesis is important. Let's just put orange. Print cart. See, orange got added in my cart. Now, if I will do it again, if I will do it again, orange is orange is already the part of my set now. If I will do it again and run it, same I'm getting. If instead of orange, if I will do milk, then also no duplicate will be there. No duplicate will be there. There you cannot use insert function somewhere because there is no indexing now. That is all unordered. I cannot use indexing over here. Here in the middle and all, I also don't know where this orange will get added. Milk so I was putting in the third place now, but it became at first. I also don't know where it is going to get printed. That is it. That is unordered. Okay, Soumya, is it clear?
Instead
Is
of
this
add,
thing
we
clear,
can put
Soumya?
insert. Ma'am, instead
No,
of
we
add,
cannot
we can
use
put
insert.
insert too.
No, we cannot. We cannot. That only I'm saying because there I do not have indexing now. How will I use insert function?
That means we are not supposed to use insert. We have to use only add. Insets.
Yes. Everyone is clear with the add function of set now? Zulekha, clear? Yes, there is no indexing in set. Yes, we cannot add in between because I also don't know where it will get added. See, this milk was at the third point, but in the output it is coming in the first. That is totally unordered. Okay? Great. So now guys, we are going to learn about remove function. Now let's say I want to remove this orange. So card dot remove orange.
Ma'am, milk has already added, right? So again, if we will add milk, then it is replacing or like it should add new
It
one,
is
right?
not
Like,
replacing, it is ignoring. It is ignoring. It is clearly written over there. Any duplicate items will be ignored.
oh, okay, fine then,
Okay?
ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. Now, guys, I'm going to run this again. Just remember, I have already run the cell. I have already ran the cell. Orange is already removed. So second time when I ran the cell, orange is not there in my set. That is why it is throwing me an error. It is throwing me an error. I ran the cell second time when orange was already removed. So I got an error. And the same thing if I will do with the another function which is known as discard. I will not face any kind of error. I will not face any kind of error. With the discard function, I will not get error. Is this thing clear, everyone? Is this thing clear, everyone? Are you all clear with remove and discard function?
Ma'am, 1 minute. So you are telling that card dot
Yes,
remove
yes.
first time orange is removed means it is going to print the same thing, right? What discard is going to show.
Yes.
First time if you are
Only
going to
one time if I'm running. If
Yeah.
only one time I'm running the cell, then remove will work and I will get the answer as milk, apple, and banana.
Same.
But
Same
I
discard.
ran the cell second time.
Okay, fine.
When it is
Okay.
already removed. Okay? Discard one, I'm running it again. It is not going to give me an error. As when I'm running it again. Third time I ran, I'm not getting error. With remove, if something is not there in your set, you will get an error. But with discard, you will not get an error.
Okay,
Remove and
okay, fine.
discard is same only, Saswat. But with remove, if there the thing which you want to remove is not in set, you will get an error. But with discard, you will not get the error. Just the original set will get printed. Is it clear, Saswat? Yes, great. Now, guys, let's move forward. Let's learn about the set operations. Now, guys, I'm having some set operations for all of you. Union, intersection, and difference. So, do you guys know about the sets in mathematics? Venn diagrams in mathematics. You guys know about them, no? They look something like this.
So that means A union B equal to A, B. That means like that, right?
Yes. That is same thing we are going to do now. Okay. Let me show you guys with the help of examples now. It will make it more clear for all of you. Okay. Don't worry, Saswat and Zulekha. I will make this clear now. So first of all, set operations we are going to learn about union. Union means combines the elements from both the sets. Combines the elements from both the sets, removing any kind of duplicates. So you can either use the symbol, this pipe symbol, or you guys can just use the union function to find the union of two sets. To find the union of two sets. It is going to combine all the elements from the set, but no duplicates are going to be there. Then here comes intersection. Intersection, you guys can use and sign, or you guys can just use the intersection function. It is going to keep only the elements which are present in both the sets. So intersection is this. That is set A, that is set B. Now they both are getting overlapped now. So this portion is what both are containing in them. Both are containing in them, right? So only this part will be my answer for the intersection part. And at the end, difference. Difference is like A minus B. A minus B and B minus A. So A minus B means all the things present in A will get printed, but the thing which is also present in B, that will get removed. And similarly, B minus A, all the things in B will get printed, but the things which are also present in A will get removed. Will get removed. Are you all clear till this point? Are you all
Ma'am,
clear
can
till
you
this point?
explain this part? Can you please explain this part again?
Yes, I'm explaining this again. So give me a second. I'm just going to create a little diagram for you guys so that it will be easier. So just suppose this is your Venn diagram. This is your Venn diagram A, and this is B. Okay. So union, guys, union means everything. Everything. But if you guys will see here, A and B are getting overlapped. This is the common area. This is the common area. Here, A and B both are having the same things. So if I will get only A plus B, if I will get A plus B, then it will get added 2 times. Now I will get the duplicate values, but that I am not going to do. So the duplicate values we are not going to take for the union. And now for the intersection part, we are just going to take the common part present in both. And for the difference, that is A minus B and B minus A. Everything present in A, everything present in A will get printed, but the thing which is also present in B, that will get removed. And vice versa for B minus A. Now, is it clear, guys? Now, is it clear, guys?
So A minus B means it will print whole circle of A.
Yes, whole circle of A, but the part which is present in B, that will get removed.
Okay, the arc will get removed.
Yes.
Hmm.
You guys will see that with the help of an example also. With example, it will be more clear when we will do the codes, okay? But just let me know, concept is clear, na? What is union, what is intersection, what is difference?
Ma'am, A minus me meaning that the intersection will be relieved, right? It will not be included.
Yes. You guys will see in the example also now. I will show you guys how what numbers are going to be there. Okay? But just let me know, you guys are clear. Are you guys clear with the words? That what are the meaning of these words? Are you guys clear? Great. Very good. Now, why use these operations? These operations are helpful for comparing groups to find common members, unique members, or the exclusive members in the group. Real world example is tracking people who said they had attended versus people who actually showed up. Imagine you are organizing an event and keeping track of 2 groups of people. People who said they would attend. They told you in advance they had come. And people who actually showed up, they came to the event. They came to the event. With set operations, you can determine who said they had attended but didn't actually come. Who came to the event without telling you in advance, and who both said they had attended and actually showed up. And how can I do that? Let's see. So, first of all, let's create the sets. First of all, I will create the sets of those people who said they would attend. So, I'm just going to name them as set A. So guys, I'm going to take any name from among you all. Just don't mind, okay? I'm taking first 2 names, Aishwarya and Arpan. They said they are going to attend, okay? Now, set number B, set of people who actually showed up at the event. Let me just take one more name over here. Let's take your name, Aswin. So that will be my set number B. Actually came, let's say, Arpan came, and one more person came whose name is not in the set A. Sudha. Okay? I'm taking. Are you guys clear? Are you guys clear with these two lists? Are you guys clear with these two sets? First of all, tell me that. Clear? Till this part of this code? Great. Now, first of all, let me just take now another cells. In another cells, I will show you so that it will not get mixed up. First of all, I'm going to show you guys union. I am going to find all unique participants, because duplicates are not allowed over here. That means either said they had come or actually showed up. So I am just going to do print just see the magic. Print A, because for this we use a symbol as pipe, A, pipe B. Oh, I forgot to run the cell. Sorry about that, guys. See, answer I'm getting is Sudha, Arpan, Aswin, and Aishwarya. Everyone's name got printed, but Arpan's name was 2 times. So duplicates are not allowed. Duplicates are not allowed. Duplicates will not get printed 2 times. Only 1 time only I will get my answer. Is it clear, guys? Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? Great. Now let's do intersection. So now intersection means find people who both said they had come and actually showed up. So, and guys, who is that person who said they had come and actually showed up? Who is that person from my set?
Arpan.
Yes. So what I'm going to do, just print. And for intersection, which symbol we are going to use? For intersection, which symbol we are going to use? That is for difference. We are going to use and symbol. A and B. Arpan. And at last, difference. So difference is find people who said they had come but didn't show up. So my first set is they would attend. Matlab they had come. But my B is saying they who actually showed up. So what I'm going to do? Print A minus B. What will be my answer? Aswin and Aishwarya. Aswin and Aishwarya. Because Arpan is also the part, but he is also the part of set number B. So that will get removed. Are you all clear with union, intersection, and difference now? Is everyone clear with union, intersection, and difference now?
Ma'am, can you do B minus A?
Yes, B minus A also we can do. Now, in B minus A, what will be the answer? What do you guys think? What will be the answer? Guys, answer will be Sudha. Sudha is, but Sudha and Arpan only two names are there, na? Sudha is part of B, but Arpan is part of A also, and I am doing B minus A. So only Sudha will be my answer, and Arpan will get removed. Clear, everyone? Clear, Saswat, Aswin? Great. Okay, everyone. So now I'm adding one thing for all of you. The key difference between the list, tuples, and sets. So give me a second. Huh? So guys, here is the key difference between list, tuples, and sets. I want you all to take 2 minutes, go through this, and let me know when you guys will be done. And let me know when you guys will be done. Take 2 minutes. Go through this. Very good, Soumya. Very good, Navya. What about others? Very good, Nitesh. Very good, Krishna, Zulekha, Rishu, Aishwarya. Very good, Ramya, Jadeep, Sudha, Tohidul. Okay. So guys, with that, our part number 4 is completed. If there is any doubts, you guys can let me know. If there is any doubts, you guys can let me know. Any doubts in part number 4, anyone?
Can you go little up?
Yeah, I'm going. Just let me know where I have to stop, huh?
So here print A pipe
Which
B,
part?
right? 14.
Yes, that is union.
Yeah, we are not writing union, right? We just giving the pipe. We are not writing union
So
intersection.
here I have written na either you guys can use pipe, either union function.
Okay.
That depends upon you what you want to do.
Can you show?
Okay, I have given you guys the easiest syntax.
Okay.
Okay. just now how you can do, I am just putting it in this, okay? Print A dot union B. Like this you can use if you want to use it as a function. Okay? Instead of this thing, you can use this. Is it clear?
Yeah, now it is clear.
Great.
So can you do
Similarly for
for
intersection
yeah.
and difference.
Yes,
Similarly, A dot intersection B, A dot difference B, like that.
Okay.
Okay? Similarly, you are going to do that. And let me just add it over here. Give me a sec. That will be B dot difference because that is B minus A, na? Okay? And now, Meenakshi, your question where tuple and sets are actually used. Tuples we use when I do not want to change anything when it is stored. And sets we use when I only want to get the unique elements. When I only want to store the unique elements. Okay, Meenakshi? Okay, Meenakshi, is it clear? Any other doubts, anyone? No doubts? That's great. So let's go on a break then. Let's take a little break then. Okay, guys. So right now it is 9:18. So we can have a little break till 9:25. And also now I'm adding one thing for all of you over here. Some use cases of sets. That is for your own reading only. I am just adding it for all of you. If you guys want in break, you guys can just utilize your break and read this out, or you guys can just go through it afterwards also after the session. Okay, that depends upon you. Okay, guys. So now let's just go on a break till 9:25. You guys can have break, and at exact 9:26, I'm going to start the session again. Okay, then, guys. Now I will be on mute. You guys can enjoy your break. Okay, everyone, it's 9:26. Is everyone here? It's 9:26, guys. Is everyone here? Guys? Everyone? Guys? Everyone is here, right? Okay, great. So, guys, let's just start with our part number 5 then. So, now list, tuples, and sets are done. So, now we are going to learn about the last Python collection, which is known as dictionaries. So in this part, we are going to learn about introduction to dictionaries and creating dictionaries, dictionary methods and functions, accessing value using keys, adding and modifying the key value pairs, removing the key value pairs. And within the dictionaries, there are some additional operations also, like nested dictionaries and looping through the dictionaries. That also we are going to learn. So guys, I want everyone to be very, very attentive in the class now, because this dictionaries, it can be a little complicated for you guys, because as you guys are very, very new right now for Python, that can be a little complicated. I want everyone to be very, very attentive in the class now. Is this thing clear, everyone? I will go very, very slow, but I want your guys' whole attention. Deal, guys? I will go slow, but I want your guys' attention. Is this thing clear? I need response from everyone. Everyone, I want to see everyone is attentive in the class. Great. Great, guys. Let's do it then. So, guys, we are going to learn about dictionaries. So, guys, everyone have used dictionary in their life? The real life dictionary, that Oxford dictionary. Everyone have used a dictionary in their life now? So, how in dictionary, let's suppose a word is like, let's say, there is a word in dictionary, let's say book. Let's say book. So the meaning of that will be, the word will be like that. After that, there will be one colon, and the first meaning, comma, second meaning, comma, and just like that, all the meanings of that particular word will be given. Right? This is the pattern only, no, which is given in the dictionaries. This is the pattern only which is given in the dictionaries. Yes or no? Yes or no? Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Yes, 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 yes. So, this thing which is before colon, what is this? If I'm talking about Python dictionaries, that is also going to be the same way only, but this thing which is going to be before colon, this is known as key. This is known as key. And all these things which are going to be after colon is known as values. So in dictionaries, what we have in Python, we are having key value pairs. Enclosed inside the curly braces, separated by the commas. This is known as dictionary. Here, let me just tell you guys a definition now, which is written. A dictionary in Python is a collection of key value pairs, where each key is associated with a specific value. Dictionaries use curly braces and provide an easy way to store and retrieve the data by using the unique keys. Now, why to use these dictionaries? Because these are useful when you need to quickly look up the information by a unique identifier, like a name or ID, and store the related data. Like, I want I want a dictionary in which I want to put name. So I will take a key named as name. Inside that, I will put all the names in the form of list, in the form of tuple. Then comma, another key is ID. Colon, again, I will take a list or a tuple. Inside that, I can put it again. So this one is my first key value pair. After that, comma, second key value pair. So two key value pairs inside curly braces separated by the commas. Like this, we are going to create the dictionaries in Python. Is this thing clear? Is this thing clear till now?
Ma'am, can you please explain one more time? I couldn't follow.
Yeah, I'm explaining again. So what is happening? So in dictionaries, guys, what has happened? In dictionaries, we are having key value pairs. Till now, what we have done, list, tuple, six. We were having single. We were just having values. But now I am having key value pairs. Like, first of all, dictionaries, they are created with the help of curly braces. Separated by commas, obviously. So let's say I want to add name and ID together in a Python collection. I can use dictionary. Like I can just take name as my first key, colon. Because before colon, that is key. That is my name. After that, I can use anything. I can use a single value also without a list or tuple. I can use a list, a tuple also. Inside that, I can pass multiple names together. Then comma. So this is my first key value pair. Comma. Let's say I want to take ID now. That is my, again, it is also a key because it is before colon. Again, I will take a list, either a tuple, and I will put the IDs inside it separated by the commas. So this is how I can create a dictionary. Now, is it clear? Sudha, Remya,
Yes, ma'am.
and
Yes, ma'am.
others?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Great. Now, what are the dictionary methods? Now, dictionaries in Python have built-in methods like keys, values, and items. Now, I have just told you guys about the keys and values. Na? Before colon is key, after colon is value. So, with the help of key function, it is just going to give you everything which is before the colon. Like I am having name, ID. So, the name of my two keys is name and ID. So, that will only be my answer. And with the help of values, whatever values I have put after colon for both of them, that will come if I am putting the values function. And for the item means a key value pair. All the key value pairs as a tuple. All the key value pairs as tuple, I will get my answer. Just remember, with the help of items, you are going to get your answer as tuple. As tuple. Clear, guys? Clear with this? Keys, values, and items. Clear, guys? Great.
So whatever the input may be list or tuple, we are going to get it in one tuples.
You guys will see. I will show you guys the output also. With that, it will become more clear. Okay? We can use tuples also, Soumya. We can use tuples also. I was, for explaining only, I was just taking the square brackets. I was saying either list, either tuple. Single value also you can take. It's not mandatory. It's not mandatory that you have to use list or tuple only. If with single value you can take single value also. I will show you guys multiple examples. Don't worry about that. Now, why use these methods? Because these methods allow you to efficiently access the specific part of the dictionary. If you only want keys, just take the key function. If you only want the values, take that. If you want all of them, take items. For example, see, everything is there. Now, let's learn this with the help of examples. Now, imagine You are managing an employee database where each employee has a unique ID. You can store each employee's information as key value pairs, where the key is the employee ID and the value is the employee's details. So let's take a list. Let's take a dictionary. So let's name it as employees is equals to dictionary we create with square bracket, parenthesis or curly braces.
Curly brackets.
Yes, curly brackets. Okay, inside that. So I want to create a dictionary. So let me just do one thing. I will take ID as key and name as value. Okay. See, I can take single value also. You guys can create a whole list, whole tuple also here after colon and take a single value as well. That depends upon you how you want to do it. And before colon, this is my key. Zulekha. Let me take one more person. Jadeep. Okay, like this, my dictionary is now created. If I just want to print this, just print employees. See how it is getting printed. Is everyone clear how to create dictionaries? Is everyone clear how to create the dictionaries?
The first one is a key and the second one is the name, right? That means it's an output or it is linked to the key, right?
Yes, that is a key value pair. Inside dictionaries, we only take them as pair only.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Everyone is clear till this point now? Great. Okay, everyone. So now
1 minute.
Yes,
So you
yes,
told
yes,
that
yes.
you have to put it in a brackets, right? We don't have to put the brackets for this keeper, right?
I told you guys can put anything after this column. You guys can use a list. You guys can use a tuple. You guys can take a single value. You guys can even use a set also.
Okay.
Okay. This value can be anything. Now, I will tell you guys that one by one, Soumya. Let's just do it. Okay. One by one in a flow we will do. This is not a set. This is not a set. It is a dictionary. It is a dictionary. Dictionaries always contain key value pairs. Sets and dictionary, for both we use curly braces. Remember that. But dictionary always have key value pairs. Okay, Meenakshi? Yes. Now guys, let's learn about the keys method. Now, keys method return all the keys in the dictionaries. This is useful to if you want to see all unique identifiers like employee ID. So, what I'm going to do? Just print employees dot keys. Oh, employees double E I have put. Okay. Employees dot keys. You guys can see the answer as dictionaries keys are 101, 102, 103, and 104, and I am getting this answer as a list. Yes, you are correct. You are correct, Soumya. And tell me, are you guys clear with the keys function? Is everyone clear with the keys function?
Ma'am, what will be the name? If we want to put the name, what we have to put? Print employee dot.
Sorry?
If you want to put the name, see, you told that it's a pair, right? See, for example, 101 is a Sashwat. So, for example, if I want the name only.
Name only, for that I am having values function because that is after it.
Okay.
For that, I'm having values function. Let me just show you. I'm just copying this. I'm just going to change this keys function to values now. And I will get all the names. That's great, na Tohiduldin? Got your answer? It is telling you that from this dictionary, these are the keys. From this dictionary, these are the values. It is just showing you guys in the output. Okay, Meenakshi? From dictionary, these are the keys. From dictionary, these are the values. Yes, by default it is coming. And now if I want key values pairs, yes, by default they are in list only. Now if I want the key value pairs, items function, I told you guys the output is going to be in tuples now. Just see this out. Check this out. Dict items, that is a whole big list. But inside the list, I am getting it a key value pair. First key value pair is first tuple. Second key value pair, second tuple. Third key value pair, third tuple. Fourth key value pair is fourth tuple. Like this, I will get my answer for the items function. So now keys function, values function, items function is in front of you guys. Let me know if there is any doubts in any of these three. Yes, you're correct, Saswat. Any doubts in any of these guys? With the help of items function, I can just get the whole things, the key values first.
Ma'am, in the keys and values, whatever we are written, that it is in a only brackets, not in a curly brackets, right?
Yes. Like
Okay.
this only you are going to get the answer.
Okay, fine.
Yes, Soumya. If you guys are clear, should I move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Zulekha. Should I move forward, guys? Okay, great. Now, let's learn about accessing the values using the keys. Accessing the values using the keys. Now, what does accessing means? You can access a value in a dictionary by using its keys. This is similar to looking up a word in a dictionary to find its definition. But why? Because with the help of this, it will make retrieving data fast and direct, especially when you're working with the large collection of data. Let's see how you can do it now. Suppose you want to find the name of the employee with a specific ID in the database. So this is my employee database. Let me just get it again. Now, from this, which ID, whose name you guys want me to access? Whose name you guys want me to access? 101, your name only? Okay, great. Now, Saswat's name I want to access and the ID is, what is the key? That is 101. 101. So what I'm going to do, employee's name, or simple what I can do is print employees square bracket 101. Again, name employees 101 in square bracket. I will get the answer as Saswat.
Ma'am, it's like indexing.
Yes, it's like indexing, but instead of the index, I am going to put the key value, key's name.
So does it has index value, index position value? No.
No. If it was there, I would have told you guys.
Okay.
The keys are working as an index now. These are like the column names for that. If you will see that as a table. Is it clear, everyone? Yes, Soumya, yes. Is everyone clear? Any doubts till now?
Can you show slicing example like this?
Sorry?
Slicing example, like slicing.
You want me to slice 2 or 3 things together?
Yes.
Okay. Let me show you guys that. Just put comma 103. Give me a second, huh? I did a mistake. Yeah, this this method is a little bit old. For this, I am getting key error. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I want to slice. So I'm just taking the keys which I want to slice. I'm taking a list. I'm going to take what is the name of my dictionary, that is employees. Going to put employees inside it. Dot keys function. Okay. Now, which one I want to take? Let's say I want 0, ratio, 0, 1, 2, 3. Because I'm doing it in a list now. So now I will be getting the index 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Till 3 only I want. Okay. So what I will be doing now, print key. Yes. I will be getting 101, 102, and 103. Only for the keys. If you want values, just put values function over here.
That means the first one is getting sliced.
Huh? Yeah,
The
only
first-
keys are getting sliced. Only keys are getting sliced because I'm putting keys function. If you want values, then put values function. If you want key value pairs, then put items function. Function you have to change here. And you have to give it as list also because, yeah, indexing directly you will not be able to do.
Probably if you want to slice 0 is to 2 means, that means it will be the Soumya will be removed, right?
Yeah. Is it clear, everyone? Yes, that is why I have given you guys this thing. Na? Okay, Shwarya? Okay, Shwarya, you can take it as tuple also, but in tuple again, you will not be able to do.
Ma'am, is that we can reverse it and use it like, for example, print employees, like in square bracket, Sashwat. That means it will be removed that. It will give you the 101, right?
Sorry, I didn't got you.
See, like you are telling that you put the key and get the value, right? What I'm asking, if we put the value, where shall we get the key?
If we put the value, shall we get the key?
Yeah, for example, print employees dot in square brackets or whatever the bracket it is, we put the Sashwat there. Okay. That means what it will.
Your voice is gone, Sudha.
See, can you make that? See, right now you are telling that to key to value, right?
I can just change the function name over here to value.
Not here. I'm not asking here in the previous one, the previous code.
In this?
Yeah.
You want me to change the key value pairs?
Yeah, that means instead of key value, we can put the like key, we can put the value there and we can get the key. That's what my question is.
That you guys can do. Just before column, that is key, that is considered as key. After column, that is value only. Okay?
Hmm.
Yeah. So guys, now we will move forward. Now I'm going to tell you guys about adding and modifying the key value first. Yes. That though I have already told you guys now how to do that. No, 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 no. Like that you will not be able to do. Guys, let's go with the flow now. Let's go with the flow. I'm telling you guys one by one everything about dictionaries. Let's just go with the flow. Like this, the flow will get break. Let me explain you guys first. After that, if there will be any questions, I will take. Let me explain first. Okay. So guys, now we are going to learn about adding and modifying the key value pairs. Now, what does adding and modifying mean? You can add a new key value pair to a dictionary, or you can update an existing key with a new value as well. But how? Let's say if a new employee joins the company or an employee's name changes, like a nickname, you can add or update the record in the dictionary. So I am already having this. First of all, let's say I want to add one more employee. What I will do, I will take the name of my dictionary, take a unique key value which is not present in my dictionary right now, like 105. It is not a part now. Just put the name. Let's take the name as Ramya. And now print employees. You guys can see as 105, Ramya also got added. Just in this simple way, you guys can add anybody. You guys can add anybody in your dictionary. Now, if you want to change, let's say I want to change this name now. Now my list is having 5 employees from 101 to 105. Now let's say I want to add Ramya's name to Soumya's name now. No, Soumya is already there now. To Sai's name, let's say. So what I will do, just put it like that. Just put it like that. 105 is equal to Sai. Now 105, no, it is already the part. It is already the part of my dictionary. I'm just putting 105 is equal to Sai. Just see out now. Now 105 instead of Ramya, it is showing you Sai. So this is how you add by giving unique key which is not part of dictionary, and this is how you modify. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Great. Now guys, let's know about the removing value. Now if I want to remove something, how I'm going to do that? How I'm going to remove a key value here. Now, what does removing mean? You can just remove a key value pair from a dictionary using the del statement or the pop method. Now, if employee leaves the company, let's say employee 103 leaves the company. What I'm going to use? DES employees square bracket 103. Print employees 103 is now gone. 103 will not get printed. Clear, everyone? Clear,
Yes,
everyone? Now, I have told you guys about 2 things, right? I have told you guys about 2 things.
Pop.
Pop function also is there. Del so you guys understood? Now how I can use the pop function? How can I use the pop function? First of all, let me yeah, employees list, employees dictionary is there only. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a value as my variable. Dictionary's name is employees dot pop 104. Who is 104? Jadeep. With the help of pop, what happened? The value Jadeep is now popped out. The value Jadeep, which is present at 104, got popped out. And now if I will print that particular dictionary also, it is removed as well. It is removed as well. Let me run it twice. Should I run? Let me just not do it here. Let me do it here. Jadeep is not the part. 104 is not the part of dictionary. I will get an error. I will get an error, Soumya.
Can you
Clear
show
till this point,
example?
everyone?
Can you show example of remove?
Remove, if I have could have used, I would have told you guys. Here I have mentioned del and pop method. Okay.
Ma'am, that means delete directly we can employ that code, whereas pop we have to put a value and then do it.
Yes. I have showed you guys both the syntax. Now it depends upon you. Whatever you guys want to use, you guys can use. Everyone clear? Everyone clear till this point? Any doubts? Any doubts? Anyone? So guys, I'm seeing no doubts till now. So I'm going to teach you guys 15 minutes more, and in the last 15 minutes, I'm going to take the doubts. Okay? Great. Now guys, I'm having nested dictionaries. Now we are going to learn about the nested dictionaries. Now what does nested word mean? I told you guys yesterday, na? What does nested word means? What does nested word means?
A lot of a list or code inside one code.
One collection under a collection.
Yeah, list
Nested
under
list
the
is
list.
list under list. A nested tuple is tuple under a tuple. So what does nested dictionary means? Dictionary under a dictionary. Dictionary under a dictionary, right? So a nested dictionary is dictionary within a dictionary, and this is useful for organizing the complex data with the multiple levels. Yes, nested dictionaries allows you to store the detailed information in a structured way, making it easy to access specific data for each item. So let's take an example. Suppose each employee has more details like department and position. You can use a nested dictionary to store this additional information. So let's take the employees data. Employees data. So dictionary. First of all, take a key 101. And now as a value add a dictionary. As a value add a dictionary. This is how we create nested dictionaries. Inside this, take name first of all. Let's say Saswat, comma. Now take department. Let's say HR. Now let's say position. Let's say manager. Now this is my first key value pair done. Similarly, I am now going to create multiple. 102. Again, create a dictionary. Name Soumya, department IT, position developer. Next is Zulekha. Department finance, position analyst. 104, name Jadeep, department marketing, and position is coordinator. Till this point, is everyone clear that how I have created the nested dictionary?
So only for values we are creating nested dictionary. Can we do for key?
Sorry?
Can we
No,
do
for key I can't. Like this
uh,
only we can do. This is the syntax how we can do.
okay.
Okay? Is everyone clear how we create nested dictionaries?
So both are in a curly brackets, right? First start with
Yes.
the set and everything is in a curly.
Yes. Keys are not in keys are not. The values are in curly
Yeah,
braces.
values are in curly. Yeah.
Yes. Now just print it. Employees data. You guys can see like how it is getting printed. But right now it is a little messy now. Right now it is a little messy, right? No, no, no. I am having much more better solution. What if I want to access something?
Ma'am, can we put it as slash n so that it will come everything back,
Yes,
back,
yes.
back, back?
No, 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 no. That will be very much hectic. Instead of that, you know your dictionary is that, right? Mainly, what concerns me that I want to access something, something from here. Like, let's say, this dictionary is for Jadeep, na 104. I want to access Jadeep's department. What I will do? How will I do? Print. What is the name of the dictionary? Employees data. Take the name, put it inside print. Now it is nested. It is nested. So double time I have to take. I want to take Jadeep's department. I want to get Jadeep's department. What is the key for Jadeep? What is the key for Jadeep?
104. 104.
Yes. The ultimate key for Jadeep is 104. And what is the key for, and what is the key? What is the key for the department? Department only, yes. Department only. Just take this, put it inside, and you will get the marketing department. That Jadeep is working in marketing department, you will get it as the answer. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone?
Ma'am, in the curly brackets, we cannot do indexing, right? Because it is unordered. Shall we put it as an index
Only
that means
sets
inside
are
the...
unordered.
Okay,
Only
no,
sets are unordered.
no, right now what you are telling that is you are putting the department, right? Instead of department, we can put that as 01. That means in square bracket 01.
No, not like that, not like that. I can just put the keys only. This is my ultimate key, and inside that also I'm having the keys. So double key I have to put in dictionary.
Okay, fine.
Great. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am,
Okay, great. Now I am having the last topic for today, guys. Looping through the dictionaries. What does looping mean? You can loop through a dictionary to access all its keys, values, or both. This is especially useful when you need to process or display each item. Why use this? Looping allows you to perform the actions on every key value pair, making it ideal for the tasks like reporting or summarizing the data. For example, you can loop through the employee dictionary to print each employee's ID and name. So looping is simple, guys. What you are going to do? I'm having employee ID. I'm having employee ID, right? And I want to get the name only. I want to get the name only. Okay, Saswat, take care. Take care, Saswat. So what I'm going to do, for employee ID, let's take I. And for the name, let's take name only. N, employees. Employees. Now, guys, ID is key, but name is coming in the value, na? Name is coming in the value, na? So I will take dot items. Colon. Just print F ID colon emp ID. Oh, sorry, I am taking only I and name as name. Run this. You guys will get ID as 101, name as Saswat, 102, 105, Sai. And here I'm not getting their names. I'm not getting their names, if you guys will see. I'm not getting their names. I'm getting the employees' names because this is one which I've created before, guys. On that I'm looping. On
That means
that
it's
I'm
an
looping.
updated employee list.
Yes. That is not that. That is the employee list which I was using before. On that I have looped. Don't get confused. This one I have used before in the class.
If you can update employees underscore data.
For that you will get everything now. Like this it will loop. Okay? Here instead of name, what I can do is I can just take details. Is it clear now, guys? Meenakshi, what is happening over there? Na? I'm having two things. I'm having a key and I'm having a value. So for key, I'm getting I. I'm taking I, and for value, I'm taking name. And I'm just looping over there with the help of employees data dot items so that I can get key value pairs together. Is it clear, Meenakshi? Yeah, here I don't need zip function because I am having items function, which is already taking key values. Okay, Rishu? Yes. Is everyone clear till this point? Any doubts, anyone? Any doubts, anyone? Okay. Now, guys, I am having the key difference. In this, now I have added dictionary as well. Please go through this and let me know if you guys have any doubts. Go through this and let me know if you guys have any doubts.
Ma'am, what if we add a duplicate key in
Sorry,
dictionary? In dictionary, if we add duplicate
give me a
key,
second. I will show. Give me a second. Let me just take this only. Here I will not show because this is already an example. I will not do here. I will just show here. Okay. Instead of 101, if I will just take 101, 102, see, print, employees, data. In 101, 103, 104. You can see that now. Here now value got updated. 101 Saswat is not here coming as value. Here the value got updated for 101. Soumya is only getting printed. So the latest value for that particular part will get printed. Previous ones will get ignored. Okay.
okay.
I will just add this example over here. We'll just add one comment so that others, when they will see, they will also get the clear idea. The keys values got updated. The previous one will be ignored. Okay. Now tell me, guys.
Hello.
Yes,
Ma'am, I
tell
have a
me.
question. Yeah.
Yes,
So can
Sukriti.
you please go to the for loop part?
Here, tell me.
Yeah. So here you wrote ID I. That means it will print the key and details name. So what the name here is?
Name is for the values.
Okay, then
ID
why
is
is it
for the
printing the
ID and
entire?
name. Because I am having this whole as value only na, for that particular ID.
Then
Okay,
Alex.
then why are if can we take department as well?
I am getting that. Sudha, please mute yourself. Okay. So, Priti, what I was saying, here I'm getting department also, na? Let me just change
Yeah,
the
we are
name.
getting
Let me
department.
let me make it detail only. I will get the whole detail. Let me just change the name. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Now clear?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
guys, we
Then
have
why
done.
was it printing? Yeah. Sorry.
Yes,
Then why
why
was it printing everything despite giving the name?
that was just a name. That is just a variable.
Oh, okay. Got
Okay.
it. I was mixing it up with the value. Yeah, got it.
Okay. No problem. That's not a problem, Sudha. That happens. Okay. Okay. So now tell me, guys, because we are done with the concepts for today. Now tell me, guys, if there is any doubts from the whole session. No one is having any doubts today? Zulekha, Nitesh?
Ma'am, only one doubt that the name
Yes,
which you
tell
put
me.
it on the value is starts with a capital number. But what you wrote in that inside is in a small name.
Because here I have done capital. Here I have done the capital.
Okay, but what you have written in the code
That
is
is
small
only
one,
getting
right?
printed, na?
Oh,
That
okay,
is
okay.
just a name. Here I have changed it to detail.
Okay, fine.
I have changed it to
Okay,
detail.
ma'am.
That is just a variable name.
Fine.
Okay. Yes. And also, guys, here now I'm adding one thing for you guys. That is the use cases, which you guys can go through afterwards. Okay. So, guys, tell me, any doubts, anyone? That's great then. Guys, this time now, what I'm doing, I'm giving you guys the homework, but now in the form of Google Colab notebook. Give me a second. I've sent you guys one Google Colab notebook. Did you all received it?
Ma'am, can we paste it in on our collab notebook and then start working, or we have to
Yes,
copy?
yes, you guys can do that. You guys can do that. Or just make a copy of it, and that now you guys will be able to make the changes. In that, you will not be able to make the changes. I'm sending it in group. Just give me a second. I'm just tagging also as the homework questions. Where is reply? Yeah, here. Yeah, I have put that in the group for all of you. You guys can check your WhatsApps as well. And again, now guys, I'm asking if there is any doubt, please do let me know.
So there is 15 question.
Sorry?
Problems. There's 15 problems
Yes,
to
yes.
solve.
Yesterday also I gave you guys 15 only, no?
Yes, yes, okay.
So till Wednesday, you guys have time to submit your answers. Now, guys, if there is no doubts, I'm sending you guys the feedback form.
Yes, ma'am, please.
I have sent you all the feedback form. Did you all receive it? And I'm stopping the screen share also. And guys, please do provide the valid reason over there, and it is mandatory for everyone, okay? So how was the session, guys? Thank you so much, Remy and Sudha. Meenakshi, where is your doubt? I can't see. Can you please post that again? Count function. Give me a second, na? That we haven't used in the session. Don't worry about that. I will tell you one example on it in a Wednesday session. Okay? Okay, Meenakshi, I will give you guys one example in Wednesday session. Great. Good night, Nitesh. Everyone, please fill out the feedback form and let me know when done. Most welcome, guys. Good night. That's great, Sudha. Good night. Take care, guys. That's great, Meenakshi. That's really, really great. Yes. I will meet you guys on Wednesday now. Good night, Meenakshi. Bye-bye, Sudha. Durga, Tohidul, Navya, Meenakshi, Rishu. Guys, are you done with the feedback form? Great. Good night, Rishu. Same to you. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to end the session and we will meet on Wednesday now. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Good night. Most welcome. Bye-bye.